Exodus wallet. It is a hybrid wallet which supports, let's say, more than 100 crypto assets. Exodus wallet, it's a very good wallet. The first pros is that it's very beginner friendly. It has an amazing interface. Let me show you. This is the interface, and it's very friendly. This is the wallet. You can see different kinds of assets here. You have Ripple, Cardano, Solana, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and when you go to portfolio, here you see all the assets. If any asset is not available, you just can add here. It is free and non-custodial software wallet. It is of course free, and it gives you full control over your private key. Your private key will never leave your device, and also it has this awesome interface, online interface, which you can control, you can send, you can receive all your assets in one place. And there is another video, I will put the link in the description, that how you can export the private key for your Exodus wallet. So you can watch that one as well. It supports computers and phones, of course. It has the application for the mobile and computer as well. It supports over 100 tokens and cryptos. It has a built-in crypto exchange, but they will charge spread. In here, when you come, here is an exchange. Here you can exchange your different kinds of assets: Bitcoin with Ethereum, Bitcoin with let's say Chainlink, Doge, any crypto you want, you can do the exchange. In here, the Exodus will charge you a spread. So this is the way that this wallet is earning money. So they do, and you can earn interest on your crypto holdings. Compound finance. It is really good that for the long-term investors that you keep some cryptos for years, so you can earn interest. It's really good, and it has a 24/7 support live chat, which is really handy, especially for the beginners. Exodus is a partner with Trezor. Security is upgradable. This is also very good thing about Exodus. Trezor is very famous for their hardware wallets. So if you have a lot of coins and you want to keep them for long term, you can purchase a Trezor wallet, a hardware wallet. So your all your coins will be stored inside that hardware wallet, and you can enjoy all the benefits while your coin are stored in the hard wallets, in a hardware wallet. So your coins will be completely safe, stored in a hardware wallet, but still you take advantage of this amazing interface. It supports different kinds of crypto apps. When you come here, you can click install apps. There are a lot of apps which can make things really easy for you. For example, we have FTX exchange, and we have the NFTs, compound finance. These are all the apps you can add to your wallet, and you can just take advantage of them. It's really cool for the Exodus, and it is way more secure than most hot wallets and exchanges. Of course it is. You have your private keys, you have your seed phrases, and it gives you control over your private key. And also it supports the QR code. So there are a lot of stores worldwide which they accept cryptocurrencies like Ethereum or Bitcoin. So you can, it's very handy, very good for the online payments. This wallet has just a few cons as well, which is not really that important. The first cons is that it is not open source. It is a closed source. The source codes are not available, and it doesn't properly support two-factor authentication. Well, it's not really important. You have your private key, you have your seed phrases, so it has high transaction fee. Exodus, actually the fee is not for Exodus, it is for the miners. As we discussed, Exodus gain from exchanging cryptos. here it is. They have the bot-tint exchange, so when you are exchanging the cryptos, so they earn a spread. That is the way they earn. And the chart that the fee that they charge for the transaction, it is for the miners. But they have recently enabled added a feature called the custom fee. Let me show you here. For example, for the Bitcoin, when you want to transfer, you can go to advanced option. In here you should have something. Maybe I don't have any Bitcoin here. I can see that option here. You must see enable custom. You can enable the custom fee, and you can pay as much as you want. So this is about the Exodus. You can go to their websites for more details, and you can create your wallet. You can download the applications. I will put the link in the description, so make sure that you go use the official website, not any phishing or fake website for your wallets.